It is creamy. Beautiful splash of color. I started eating Indian food when I moved to the Middle East. This is a very nice and mild curry that the whole family can enjoy. All the aromatics come out. Today I'm traveling to India. I'm going to be preparing a fast cashew paneer curry with naan bread and carrot salad. So come and join me, let's go. So I'm going to start by switching on the oven. I'm going to use the conventional oven and 200 degrees. So I'm going to soak the cashew nuts in boiling water. That would give the curry a much creamier texture. Next we're going to chop the onion. So that's the onion done. So then I'm going to rinse the coriander and then we'll chop it roughly. And then the last prep at this stage is to cut the paneer into cubes. And you can make paneer quite easily at home. It's just 3 ingredients. It's milk, it's lemon, and it's a bit of salt. There we go. We're going to start making the curry sauce. I'm going to heat my pan. I'm going to add in the ghee. So ghee is just highly clarified butter. It has a much lower dairy protein content than normal butter. It's got a beautiful toasted aroma. Okay, so once the ghee is melted, I'll add in the onion and a pinch of salt. I'm going to gently cook these for about 6 minutes. I want to make sure I don't burn my onion, but I get it nice and translucent. So I'm going to add the coriander, ginger garlic paste. It's a real staple in any Indian curry. I'm going to add curry powder. Mine is not very spicy. This is a very nice and mild curry that the whole family can enjoy. The smoked paprika, and then a little bit more color with the turmeric. I'm going to let the spices fry for about a minute. So I've added the measured water. I'm going to add in the stock cube, crumple it a little bit. I'm going to add some honey and some tomato paste. And I'm going to mix everything really well together again. So really the first time I started eating Indian food was when I moved to the Middle East. I was traveling to Kerala quite a bit in Trivandrum, and they have the most amazing vegetarian Indian food. And since then I've always been fascinated, and I really prefer the vegetarian curries or the fish curries. They have beautiful fish curries as well. So this is an inspiration from there. All right, it's well mixed together, so I'm going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to heat up the naan bread in the oven. So I'm just going to place it on the oven tray. It only needs about 5 minutes. If you have guests coming over, you could also add maybe some rice with this recipe. Maybe if you have some chutney in your fridge or some poppadoms to just kind of make this more festive. So while my sauce is simmering and the naan bread is heating up, I'm just going to prepare a little side salad. The side salad adds a bit of green, it adds a little freshness to the curry, and the lime juice is going to just break that heaviness of the curry a little bit, the creaminess, and make the whole dinner have a nice balance. So, carrot is peeled, chop off the ends and then grate it using my box grater. Here we go. That's the carrot done, and there's always like a little odd piece, so it's for the chef. All right, I'm gonna put the carrot in the bowl. Then I'm gonna rinse my spinach and add it in the bowl as well. Okay, so this becomes my side salad. I'm gonna add in the raisins. This all adds a nice, beautiful splash of color as well. And then I'm gonna take the lime. Up, I'm squeezing it a little bit, it'll be easier to get the juice out. Then squeeze the lime juice into the salad. So now the last step really to this curry is to grind the cashew nuts into a smooth paste, and this will act like a very creamy element to the recipe. So I'm going to put my cashews and maybe half of the liquid into either a pestle and mortar or into a food processor. So I'm using a food processor because it's faster. And here we go. Okay, so this looks like it's nice and smooth. So I'm going to add it now into the curry. Then I'm going to add the paneer. And finally, the cream cheese. So you can easily just omit your cream cheese if you don't want to add it in, but it is there as a fail-safe in case something went wrong with your cashew cream. So everything, give it a good mix, and then we let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Look at this curry, it's become nice and thick, beautiful colors, and my kitchen smells absolutely amazing. So I'm just gonna switch this off and I'm gonna get ready to plate. I'm gonna start by putting my salad, put it in my nice salad bowl. I'm gonna pour in my curry. And plating Indian food is always such a delight because you get to use all those little, I don't know about you if you have them, but I have all these little plates and bowls that I can't help myself to buy when I travel. And it doesn't really matter if they mix well, it doesn't matter. So just mix and match as you want and you put them all to use. So you see, I've got a bowl for the salad, I've got a bowl for the curry, and now I'm gonna go get the naan bread from the oven so it's nice and hot. So here we go, up, freshly baked naan bread, and I'm gonna decorate it all with a few nigella seeds. Et voila! I hope you'll enjoy this mild and creamy cashew curry. And for more recipes like this and our variety of curries, please click here. But for now, bon appétit!